That's Goldie.
What do you think of that puppy?
Do you like that dog? Do you like the puppy? You're good. You're so happy. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you're being so good.
Good girl.
Is that fun?
Cody.
Hey,
Come on now.
you're okay. Hey, that's okay. What a good dog you're being.
Good girl.
Hey.
Mills, what do you think of that puppy?
Well, we will know if she's allergic to dogs or not.
Yeah, exactly.